and welcome to another WIP video. You might have noticed that I've got some little helpers with me today, and that is because we are actually on our spring holidays at the moment, and I thought rather than trying to get them to be absolutely silent in the next room, I thought they would prefer to maybe just help me do the video, so that is what we're doing today. So as I say, this is just a WIP video, so I'm going to show you some of the things that I've completed over the last few weeks and some of the things that I am still working on. So these little glamorous assistants are going to hold some of the things up for me. So we're going to start with this one. So Lucy, do you want to hold that one up for me? So this is the puff V-stitch that I did the tutorial for the other day. So this has obviously been done using the Boho Spirit yarn, and this is the shade Harmony. So I'm just going to move it a little bit closer in the hope that you can, let me get it the right way up, in the hope that you can see the stitches. Yeah.
Stitch.
So that is going to be a really nice and really cozy warm scarf. So I obviously need to work a little bit more on that. And then we've got another one that I'm working on, and this was the one that I did the video about a few weeks ago. It's the Create Your Own Yarn Cake, and I have started working with this. I'm not going to show this too much because it is a pattern that I'm working on at the moment, but it's really wonderful yarn to work with, and it's even got a really nice little sheen to it as well, so I've been really enjoying working with this one. So I'm looking forward to getting through some more of these beautiful colour changes. So yeah, that is obviously a granny square variation. And then we can move on to now to two projects that I've actually finished, and I don't get to say that very often. So Ewan's going to help me hold this one up. So this is the beautiful Lotus Flower blanket. So this obviously isn't a pattern by me, it is a pattern by Hooked by Robin, and I will obviously leave all of the information in the description box. But this is I'll try and hold it as high as I can. This is a really big circular blanket, and it's done with wonderful fan stitches. So this was done with a Scheepjes whirl, obviously, and now we've hidden Ewan. Here we go. So yeah, that is a really beautiful pattern. I actually worked on this over a year ago, and I'm ashamed to say that last week I sewed in the end, so I can officially say now that it is finished.
Yay.
Thank you. And then finally, so we're going to do this one together. So this is the Sundown Blanket. So you may, if you're obviously subscribed to my channel, you will have probably seen this one already. And this was done using the Hayfield Spirit in Chunky this time. And again, it is the Sundown shade. And it's a really beautifully soft and really thick blanket. So it's very simple and suitable for beginners as well. So I'm just going to move it a little bit closer. So you can see it's almost like a trellis work, and then we've got the moss stitch border and things around the outside with some little frills as well. So it's a really great quick project, especially if you're using a chunky yarn. But that is one, obviously, that, as I say, that I have finished, and I will leave all of the links for the tutorials and everything like that down in the description box. But this is probably one of my favourite things that I have made in quite a long time. Actually, it worked out even better than I had expected it to. So yeah, that is the Sundown blanket, but it's really pretty. So I'll just fold that back up. So it even looks really beautiful when it's all folded up as well. It's such a nice rainbowy, pretty yarn. So that will be gifted at some point whenever somebody has a baby. So those are all the things that I have been working on recently, and obviously the couple that I have actually finished as well. The next couple of tutorials that are coming up are some really nice and really interesting granny squares. I'm not going to share them with you right now because I don't want to spoil it, but they will be coming over the next couple of weeks. But they are really nice and really interesting variations on that pattern. So hopefully you have enjoyed this video and not been too distracted by my little helpers. But we will see you for another normal tutorial at the weekend. But for now, it's bye from us. Say bye. Super. Right.
Oh, good.